Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get free games on Steam. I'll show you guys how to do it. If you doesn't have Steam installed on your PC, then check my video description for this download link. Select this install Steam option, and after the download done, select it and check the yes option and select next and continue this installation guys. After this install done, open up the Steam and select this icon guys. As you can see, search icon, click on it. And now in narrow by price slider, you just need to drag this slider to the first so that it's going to be results as a free. And as you can see, there are 35,340 results free games. And you just need to find the game you want, guys. The top listed most famous games. Just need to find it using this preview just by dragging the mouse, or you can just select the game that you want and then scroll down and free to play, select the game option and select the drive where you have enough space and then select the install now option and select the accept option. To doing this, go to library and the selected game will be listed over here guys. As you can see, the game has been listed, and now after this downloads get done, you can play the game guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.